Alright guys, have you ever gone to your Subaru Crosstrek's cargo light here and been underwhelmed? Kind of like with the horn the first time you heard it? Alright, well what I want to do is I want to exchange this light out because it's just too dim. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece, pull out the old bulb, and replace it with this. It's going to be awesome. Alright, here we go. Let's see how bright this light is. 280, 300, somewhere around 290. Okay, let's see if there is a difference when we put in the new lights. Now what we're going to do is add this, and we'll see how much lighter it is. And you might wonder, why the heck would you even bother? Well, I'm going to be camping in here, and I want to have a lot of light. So what we have to do next is pop this off. There we go. Whoops. And that right there is what we're working with. So let's get rid of that weak bulb and put in the hopefully much more awesome bulb. Right, here we go. Well, that was easy. Down. Okay, now what we're going to do is simply pop it in. Come on. There we go. It is in. Now we're going to shove it back in its place and test how bright it is. Hopefully it's really cool. And it was pretty simple. It was pretty simple to do. Yeah. Also pretty simple to put back in. All right, let's just do it like this. Oh, okay. I don't know why I just laughed like that, but that is, yeah, that's a little bit brighter. Hold on. We got a reading of about 1,600, 1,500. All right, that is dramatically brighter. Wow. Like seriously, that is so much brighter. All right, the Lasfit. I'm telling you, this is awesome. I'm really excited about this because that's going to light up the entire interior of the car. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, guys.